Welcome to the definitive guide on mastering scaling and dimensioning in AutoCAD. Get ready to transform your drawings into accurate, professional, and print-ready masterpieces. Have you ever struggled with dimensions that look too big, too small, or just plain wrong in your AutoCAD drawings? You try to scale your drawing, but the dimensions still don't match. It's frustrating, but it's a common issue we're going to fix today. I'm going to show you 5 essential, easy-to-follow steps to master scaling and dimensioning properly for accuracy every time. Whether you're a student, civil engineer, architect, or drafter, if your scaling or dimensioning is incorrect, your entire drawing is fundamentally flawed. We need to get this right. Our first and most crucial step is to understand and correctly set your drawing units. Before you start drawing or dimensioning anything, you must set your units correctly using the UN command. The golden rule is to always draw in a 1-to-1 scale within model space. Never draw based on the paper size. This one change resolves half of all dimensioning headaches. For step 2, draw everything using its actual real-world size. If a wall is 3,000 millimeters, draw it as 3,000. AutoCAD is smart. You don't need to scale while drawing. What if you already have a drawing that's incorrectly scaled? Don't worry, step 3 shows you how to fix it. We use the powerful scale command and specifically the reference or R option to accurately resize existing drawings. You select the object, pick a base point, use R for reference, select a known length on the drawing, and then enter the correct, actual length. This guarantees 100% accurate scaling. Now for the magic, setting your dimension style like a pro using DIMSTYLE. Type D and enter to bring up the Dimension Style Manager. Here you can create or modify a dimension style to control the appearance of your dimensions. Key settings include setting text height and arrow size based on your desired print size, and crucially, keeping the scale factor at 1. Our final step is utilizing paper space, viewports, and the final scale for printing. Go to your layout or paper space, create a viewport, and set your desired viewport scale, whether it's 150, 1:100, or another ratio. Once the scale is set, lock the viewport. This ensures your drawing, which remains 1-to-1 in model space, prints perfectly to the required scale. This is the professional standard. Remember these 5 simple steps to revolutionize your AutoCAD drawings and maintain accuracy. Recap: set units, draw 1-to-1, scale with reference, use proper dimension styles, and control the final scale in the layout. If this guide helped you master scaling and dimensioning, please like, share, and subscribe for more AutoCAD mastery. Comment scale if you want a part 2 with real-world examples.